Welcome to StockMarketFunding.com, home to the professional trader and investor all alike around the world. Here was that knife hook move off the bottom we covered in tape number 1 with a short. It came down, it popped up like I said. They got a short, but now they cannot let it go above this price, 49 cents. If you go up there, you can hit resistance, but you can't close above there. As long as it doesn't do that, the short will stay into play. Consumer confidence came out. Look what happened. Look at the big move up. Look at the short. What did the market makers do? They walked the dog to go wee-wee on the bush. And there was a big turn in the whole thing. And the thing about it is economic data, economic news. You need to learn how to master that trade at StockMarketFunding.com. Now, on the call options that I gave everybody, you just keep those prices down there. One thing about Apple Computer is that I'm going to pull up here. Hold on. AAPL. I'm sorry, I had the Google chart. This minute period moving average is going to give that support. And there's a stop loss market on that short term that traders will have to keep. Let me pause the tape. Here, I got you back on the tape. This was a market maker manipulation. The shorts got squeezed on the look at, they gapped it down. They brought it in like on tape number 1. This is tape number 2. This is where the short was. It came down, it came up, it put in what we call a triple top reversal. And the thing about it is, as I said, we will stay short as long as we don't close above half of that pro trader bar. You can come in and hit at resistance and roll over. No need to come out of that intraday short. You got to close above that on green candlestick in order to come out of that short. Until then, you remain in the short. And here's the 3-minute sell signal. There is also other deterioration, is that we got oversold on the open and we got overbought during this time frame. It's that simple, folks. Anyway, come back, learn how to master the opening bell, learn how to trade that volatility, learn how to put stops in, understand how you can do it and how you can master it. Yeah, it'll take you a couple weeks here to get used to this and seeing it on the open and doing it. Buy half of the bar. So when the bar comes up, this is where you buy. And as long as it stays above half of the bar, you stay in the trade until you get to a reversal. So I'm going to put this on pause, resume the tape. Here on the Apple tape, the conclusion is how to buy the bottom, how to use the SMF Pro Trader bar, where to put the stop, what the reversal top is. You let it come down. You don't short the first down tick. You let it come up and you test it. And when it fills up here, you go in short. Half of this bar right here, you stay short. Like I said over here, you can go up in resistance and you let the short run. Straight up, I told you it would fail, which it did. All of this happened in 30 minutes, people. Not only that, for you to be here with veteran trader Mario Marciano on the open, is that you've got 30 years of expertise. I developed a platform. This is how it works. Selling short, you get that move, you got that short, you're coming back down. There'll be a place that we have to buy to cover. But let me tell you something. When you learn how to work with the SMF Pro Trader bars on a short-term level on the opening bell, not to mention that 15-minute bar that I told Bridget, is that was the high at the double top resistance that I told everyone, and there was the failure bar right there. And that down bar is much bigger in 15 minutes than the low volume. This was a volatility to sell short. It's called the kiss goodbye. Hey, thanks for visiting StockMarketFunding.com. Once again, we do these trades, as you've seen, we did them live right there. The thing about it is, the minute that you broke half of that SMF 15-minute bar, if you didn't short up there, that's fine. Wait for the break right there. Go short. As long as it doesn't close above that bar, this green bar, half of that bar, you stay short. It's that simple. Okay? Big down move versus the up move. Greater than. Once again, a recap. how to be a short-term trader, how to be a market maker, how to get both moves. These are mathematical walk the dog and walk the dog down. He walked the dog up. They sold it into that because this isn't what you're looking for. Now we got a double bottom. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover my short. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take half of the red bar here. And now what I'm going to show people here as a professional, that's the SMF Pro Trader bar. It's a 3-minute bar. If I go above that on a closing basis, I'm going to cover my short. Just the same way as I did it up here. So I can go into resistance there. That's fine. I've got to close above that, this trend line. I've got to get a closing bar above it, and then I will come out of the short. If I go in and hit resistance and roll over, I will stay in the short. But this is, look, I got short up here, and I'm going to protect my move, and that is the criteria. You've been given a gift. Call us at 702-685-0772. Join our online trading community. Come join us for 5 days. It's on me. It's free. We want to show you what you can be.